Oh boy, everyone, we have a very special package, and I guess it's time to open it. Oh, a Switch 2.
No.
My dream gift. Ugh. Can you get this thing open? Thanks. It's a Nintendo Switch 2. Full game download. And it has Mario Kart World.
Woohoo! That's awesome.
Front, side, other side, side, other top, bottom, and we're gonna open it if possible. Well, I'm gonna here's my favorite, the blue Joy-Con. Let me just unbox.
Just go ahead and lay the phone down.
Does it go on the same docking station or do I need to buy a docking station?
Okay,
So I need to buy a
here's my blue Joy-Con, one of my favorites. Look, I'm controlling myself. Ow. Now we just
I can buy one at a docking station.
here's the blue Joy-Con. Let me just open this real quick. Here's the docking stick. Here's the Switch 2 itself.
Anyways. We'll have to make sure we are really careful with this, right?
Yes. Let me just.
Ooh, it does
just-
look nice.
Here's the red Joy-Con. Not pretty much of a fan of this controller, but the buttons do feel smooth. And oh my gosh, I found the N-word button. Oh, if you know what I mean, it's
Yeah.
Nintendo.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nintendo.
And is there anything
Yeah,
else?
it's a docking station.
And here's this thing, that thing, and oh boy, my favorite, the game. Oh, not the game grip.
But what we wanted
Wow,
to do is
it
not
has a
use
blue.
it again.
Thought so.
So I think that's how we'll break it. But it has a docking station.
We have to keep it on the docking station to play it, right, Dyson?
When Jackson, you're done opening your presents, we'll play with you.
I wonder if it sets in the same way.
Wow, thanks MJ.
Well, we got
And-
on the other.
And like,
I'm gonna set him up on
whoa,
the TV.
oh, ouch.
No, you're not.
Then
You can't
we
tell-
can
you can't
upload
be
this.
Set it up on the room.
Then,
Turn him going to keep going and looking at that thing and turn to go.
then there's that part. And oh boy, look what we have here. The round guy. The round guy. The Switch 2 dock. Front, side, back. You get the idea. I like, oh, this gives me tryphobia. But not as much. But that's okay. So, have a great afternoon. See ya.